So the first end punctuation mark that we are going to learn about today is the period. Writers use a period at the end of a telling sentence. So this says, my dog's name is Opie. So we only use a period whenever we are telling someone something or saying something. So, for example, your teacher, Miss Taylor, is happy. So I am telling you that I am happy. The next punctuation mark that we have is the question mark. Writers use a question mark when they are asking a question. This question says, do you have a dog? Another question could be, are you hungry? So we only use this whenever we are asking someone something. The last end punctuation mark that we're going to learn about is the exclamation point. Writers use an exclamation point to show excitement or a lot of emotion. This sentence says, I love my dog so much. Did anyone notice anything about my voice whenever I read that? Yes, whenever we use the exclamation point, we use a lot of strong emotion in our sentence and in our words. So our voices will go up and we will sound super happy. So another sentence is, I can't wait for tomorrow. My voice went up and I am super excited. So we just learned about our 3 new friends. Our first friend is a period. Our second friend is a question mark. And our third friend is an exclamation point. So we have to remember to use a period when a sentence tells something. So we use a period for a telling sentence. I wrote a period in this circle. And we're going to flip this over, and I wrote my very own sentence with a period. It says, she is very tired. So I decided to draw me, and I'm super tired and about to go to sleep. Next is our friend, the question mark. We use a question mark when a sentence asks a question. So I drew a question mark in the little circle, and I wrote a sentence, an asking question that says, can I have pizza for dinner? That is a great question. And I drew myself asking someone, can I have pizza for dinner? And I drew me and a pizza. And I also drew a little question mark because I was asking someone that. Next, we have our last friend, the exclamation point. We use an exclamation point when a sentence shows strong feelings. So I drew an exclamation point in the circle, and I wrote a sentence using an exclamation point, and it says, today is my birthday. I sounded super excited because today's my birthday. And I drew a picture of myself with a birthday cake and a birthday balloon. So I was celebrating my birthday. So I made one of these, and I want all of you to make one with me. So I have this. I posted this document on our Google Classroom. So I'm going to ask everyone to print this out. So after you print this piece of paper out, I want you to hold it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what we are going to do with this. So first, I want everyone to look at this line in the middle and fold the paper in half at the line. And you just fold it down. Perfect. Next, we are going to be using some scissors, but we have to be extra careful. So if you need help, please ask someone at home. So now we're going to use our scissors. We're not going to put them around our fingers. We are going to cut the 2 dotted lines, and we're going to cut both pieces of the paper, not just the first flap. So we're going to cut this one and this one. So I'm going to cut, and we're going to cut all the way. And this is the second one. Okay, great job, guys. Now we are going to do what I did on mine. So when we open this first one up, I want you to write 2 telling sentences. And I want you to also draw 2 pictures to go with your sentences like I did. And I want you to do the same thing for the question mark. So I want you to write 2 questions right here, and then draw 2 pictures to go with your questions. And for our last friend, I want you to do the same thing. So I want you to write 2 sentences that use the exclamation point and show strong feelings, and then draw 2 pictures to go with your sentences. So I want you to get out some crayons or markers or both, and I want you to write, well, for this, you are definitely allowed to use markers or a pencil to write your period, question mark, and exclamation point. But whenever you write your sentences, you are allowed to use a marker. So you can use whatever color marker you want to write your 2 sentences, 2 sentences, 2 sentences. And then for your pictures right here, you are welcome to use crayons and markers to make it extra pretty so you can remember what your sentence is about. So I want you guys to have fun and put on your thinking caps and think really hard to come up with some awesome sentences. And I can't wait to see them. Good luck.